Welcome back to CarDekho, where we help you pick the right car right now. And right now it's time to turn our attention towards the latest round of crash tests by the Global NCAP under the Safer Cars for India program. Maruti Suzuki's WagonR has been put to the test and it has fared quite poorly. Let's get you all the details in just 2 minutes. Let's go. The all-new WagonR scored a dismal 2 out of 5 stars in overall adult occupant safety by scoring 6.93 points out of a maximum possible 17. It is important to note that the Global NCAP tested the base spec variant of the hatchback that doesn't offer a passenger airbag or pretensioners and load limiters for the seat belts. For reference sake, when Global NCAP crash tested the Swift that's based on a different version of the Hardtech platform, it scored a similarly poor 2 stars. Its overall score was marginally higher than the WagonR though. Global NCAP also tested the Santro, which fared worse than the Maruti, scoring lower overall points but gained a similar 2-star rating. To start off, the body shell was rated unstable. This means that the body would be incapable of handling impacts above the NCAP's mandated 64 km/h speed. Another area of concern is that the footwell area has been rated unstable. This, along with marginal protection for the driver's and co-driver's knees and weak protection for the occupant's chest, add to the WagonR's poor performance. Maruti Suzuki's WagonR does not offer Isofix child seat mounts in any of its variants. While using the 3-year-old crash dummy, the child restraint system failed. Notably, when the 18-month-old dummy was used, protection for the head was rated as good, whereas the chest was vulnerable. The overall score of 16.33 out of 49 is poor, but surprisingly better than that of the Swift. Maruti Suzuki says that the new WagonR complies with all safety norms stipulated for India, but we must remember that crash tests here are carried out at a lower 56 km/h, which means that the cars may fare slightly better. Have something to add about the WagonR safety score? Well, let us know in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and download the CarDekho app for all the latest updates. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.